Hi, I'd like to tell you my story. If you stay and listen, I'll definitely owe you one. I am Anju Jose and I am making this video as a part of my coursework for Career Development Program in Conestoga College, Canada. So let's just dive right in. Let me tell you 3 things that I consider as the best things that happened to me during the school days. I could join National Cadet Corps and get military training. Also, I studied Sanskrit and I have good reading and listening skills. I started developing interest in social science subjects then. I believe I had the foundation of my career and life there in my school. The next turning point was choosing the college and the stream. In 2012, I joined Union Christian College for my bachelor's in economics. It was fascinating to study about money. It was a time when I started to explore my horizons intellectually. I started to read more, think more, debate more, and began to form my own opinions. Then I decided to make a professional degree. Next academic year, I joined for Masters in Human Resource Management. Classes used to last for 12 hours a day and 6 days a week. Homework used to consume whatever free time left. But all those rigorous studies paid off. By the time I reached my final semester, I had a job offer I had in hand and pretty good understanding of human resource functions. Then I joined NetworkRedex, a US-based IT services company in their Indian office as their first HR manager. When I joined the company, they had 13 employees and 1 manager. I literally had to start from scratch. I began to build systems and policies for human resource management in the company. Let me tell you, learning by doing is the best way of learning. You own the knowledge you own. After 4 years in the same role, I began to feel like it's more monotonous. I started looking for a program that I can take which will help me in exploring my skills. Now I have joined for Career Development Program in Conestoga College, which feels like an exciting journey to me. Learning about helping people in their rough turnings of career seems a great service to me, something I wish I could receive in my past. So now about future. My answer would be I have no idea. There are some roads visible to continue this journey. I can go ahead with my certification and become a career development professional, just a straight road there. Or I can go back to my safe place, human resources. Or there may come up something else on the way. Who knows? I'm keeping one road open for possible contingencies. I'm not searching for an end. I believe this journey is beautiful, and I'm eagerly waiting to see what I'm going to unfold next. This journey continues, and thank you so much for listening to me.